201 watt. This is what is the output of our MPPT controller feeding our solar water pump. Let's go outside and see how the pump is functioning. These are some water buckets. We've placed two solar panels of 200 watts on the roof. And we now move to the well. This is the well. And this is the water fetched by the people using the well. This is the well. This is the water being pumped by the solar water pump. And it's also feeding a fish farm. It's feeding a fish farm with water. And this is what we have as the result of our solar water pump. So we can say that we are satisfied, we are happy with the results of the pump. Look at how the water is going.